Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to share with you one of my financial goals that I have with one of the opportunities that I'm involved with. All right, so it's this free app out there and they actually are paying people to share this app and to actually sell their location data. Now, before you get all like, whoa, I ain't selling shit. I ain't selling my data, right? Calm down. It's completely safe. And you'll see in a couple minutes what I'm talking about. But just know you can earn money by, selling your location data. Now, before I move forward, this opportunity does cost you $3.99 a month to be eligible to receive payment and, for selling your data. All right. So if you don't got $3.99 to invest in this, then, don't do it. Don't mess with it. Move on. Watch some other videos. It's all good, right? But if you do got $3.99, then this opportunity is crazy, right? Because you can earn a lot of money. And this is what I'm saying in this video. Like, I plan on going super hard with this opportunity. I'm talking about $5,000 to $10,000 a month I want just from this one opportunity. And you might be like, what? That's crazy. Once you see what I'm talking about, you'll realize like this is very, very doable. Now, how can you do the same thing? Because you might be thinking, man, I don't care. Like, that's you, dog. Like, how's it helping me? Right? I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm telling you. This opportunity is so easy to share, right, with people and start earning money. It's just a matter of taking this opportunity serious, because it's only $3.99. It's easy for people to kind of blow it off and be like, that ain't even nothing, Take it serious and take action, and you can earn crazy money with this opportunity. All right, so everybody has their own thing, right? So like me, I'm like a YouTube person. I'm easy to promote on YouTube, right? You might be a Facebook person, right? You communicate on Facebook. You're always on Facebook. Maybe you're a TikToker and you like to make TikToks, or Instagram or whatever, right? Everybody has their own little way that they feel comfortable, talking to people or promoting or being around people, right? So you have to find your method, whatever you're into, right? You might even be offline. You might like old school, make flyers and take them places, right? Whatever your thing is, however you feel comfortable reaching the masses. Damn it, that's what I was trying to say, right? However you feel comfortable doing it, right? It might be YouTube like me, maybe it ain't, whatever. But whatever it is for you, find it and rock the hell out of it. Right? Promote this opportunity because it's easy. This appeals to everybody. This opportunity appeals to anybody and everybody who's looking to earn some extra money or some huge money. All right. So you should feel comfortable promoting this, right? You can start with your family. You can start with your friends, right? And then move out towards, whatever your style of marketing is. The key is, to whatever your method is, man, you gotta take action. So many people I see online and I get messages all the time. I want an easy opportunity, but I don't got that much time. I don't got this, or I don't know how to do this. This is one of them opportunities it is what it is. It's super easy to start. Are you willing to take action? If you're on Facebook all the time, are you willing to post about it, create posts and join groups? Because this is actually a business. This is a real business opportunity for you. Selling location data. It's a business, right? Even though it only costs you $3.99, yes, you can run your own online business for $3.99 a month, right? So take it serious and then take action seriously, because that's what I'm doing. You can follow my lead. Like, I'm on YouTube. 90% of what I do is on YouTube, and like 10% I be on like Facebook, using Facebook Reels, whatever. So find your thing and get started with this opportunity. If, you trying to make, monthly recurring income, because that's the beauty about this app opportunity. It ain't like you just get paid once, right? You get paid monthly for what you do, right? Monthly income. And not only that, you're going to get paid from other people bringing other people in. You're going to get paid from people you never even met before and never will meet. You're going to get paid a monthly income, right? So my point is, before you decide to jump in, ask yourself like, yo, can I really push this? Like, ask yourself, can I really push this? Am I willing to really push this to get $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month, right? Ask yourself. And if you say yeah, and you got a method, and you ready to rock and roll, then start today. No excuses. You can start this today, right? Now this opportunity, they're actually getting ready to make their first payment out to people, but you can start referring people and start building up your income right now, starting today. So if you're ready to start making that money on a monthly recurring basis, super easy to promote. All you got to do is watch this video right here, take action, and start making that money.